Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little busy for me lately, but I'm really excited because today I finally got to record something new, and it's all about Figma. Now, some of you might already know Figma, and some of you may be hearing about it for the first time. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and fun. Figma is one of the best tools out there for designers. It's powerful, it's collaborative, and the best part is, it keeps getting updated with cool new features. In this video, I'll be showing you a trick using the new glass effect in Figma. With it, I designed a simple reward earning screen. I've already picked the colors, built the layout, and I'll be doing more follow-up videos to show you different versions of this design. Now, here's a tip. When you start a project in Figma, always set up a proper design library. It saves time, keeps your designs consistent, and makes collaboration much easier. Tools like components, variants, and auto layout are super useful if you want your designs to be scalable. What I really love about Figma is how they're constantly improving things. Recently, we've seen updates in prototyping, performance, and collaboration, so you can test, design, and share ideas with your team instantly. In upcoming videos, I'll dive deeper into these updates and show you how UI/UX teams actually work, step by step, on real projects. So, check out this video, try out the steps, and let me know in the comments what you think. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if there's any specific Figma feature or update you'd like me to cover, drop your suggestions below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next tutorials I'll be posting. Thanks for watching, and let's jump right in. Let's start with components. Think of components like master templates. Imagine you design a button once, same color, shape, and style. Now, instead of copying it again and again, you turn it into a component. The original is called the main component, and every copy you make is an instance. The magic is, if you change something in the main component, like color, text size, or spacing, all the instances update automatically. This keeps your design consistent and saves tons of time. Examples of components: buttons, navigation bars, cards, icons, even entire sections of a page. So, instead of designing 50 buttons, you design once and reuse everywhere. Creating a component in Figma is super simple. Select your element, say a button. Right-click, Create Component, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows, Command+Option+K on Mac. Now you have a purple outline. That means it's a component. To use it again, just drag it from the Assets panel. You can duplicate it, resize it, and even override the text or image inside without breaking the connection to the main component.